Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our mock test question part 1, Innovation Business Model and Entrepreneurship. In this video, we will provide you some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question number first. Which among the following is not part of VUCA framework? So these are the options: volatility, unclear, complexity, ambiguity. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, unclear. Now let's go to our question number 2. The triple bottom line in sustainability includes which three elements? So these are the option: people, planet, profit, people, profit, product, process, people, product, profit, people, process. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, people, planet, profit. Now let's go to our question number 3. Innovation becomes successful only when it moves beyond just an idea to dash. So these are the options: implementation and impact, invention and discovery, limitation and experimentation, exploration and vision. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, implementation and impact. Now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following is a myth about innovation? So these are the options. It begins with curiosity. It is iterative and experiment driven. It is all about risk taking. Risk taking must be combined with mitigation. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. It is all about risk taking. Now let's go to our question number 5. An entrepreneur who develops solutions for society's problems, such as Grameen Bank, is an example of. So these are the options: traditional entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, serial entrepreneurship, corporate entrepreneurship. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, social entrepreneurship. Now let's go to our question number 6. What is the first stage in innovation management? So these are the options: experimenting with ideas, collecting ideas, developing business model, selecting ideas. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, collecting ideas. Now let's go to our question number 7. Uber's business model is unique because, so these are the options: it owns the taxis directly, it connects drivers and passengers without owning taxis, it fixes government approved pricing, it operates as a not for profit platform. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, it connects drivers and passengers without owning taxis. Now let's go to our question number 8. Which of the following is not an element of frugal innovation? So these are the options: opportunity in constraints, flexibility over rigidity, sophistication, technology focus, delivering maximum value at minimum cost. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, sophisticated, technology focus. Now let's go to our question number 9. Divergent thinking in problem solving is best shown by. So these are the options: listening many possible alternatives, choosing only the best solution quickly, following a fixed logical rule, eliminating creativity. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, listening many possible alternatives. Now let's go to our question number 10. Which of the following is an example of a feel the pain innovation source? So these are the options: detecting customer frustration with traffic jams, identifying global sustainability trends, spotting waste in manufacturing, recognizing a competitor's new product. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Detecting customer frustration with traffic jams. Now let's go to our question number 11. Which one of the following is not an important I of innovation? So these are the option: idea, implementation, international outlook, impact. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. International outlook. Now let's go to our question number 12. In the context of blue ocean strategy, which framework is used? So these are the options: eliminate, reduce, raise, create. Eliminate, reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recreate. Explore, redefine, create, expand. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Eliminate, reduce, raise, create. Now let's go to our question number 13. Which type of innovation changes how a company does business rather than what it sells? So these are the options: product innovation, process innovation, business model innovation, service innovation. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, business model innovation. Now let's go to our question number 14. Who introduced the concept of triple bottom line? So these are the options: Michael Porter, John Elkington, Clayton Christensen, Peter Drucker. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. John Elkington. Now let's go to our question number 15. The purpose of low cost experimentation in innovation is to, so these are the options: avoid large failures, maintain competitive edge, motivate further trials, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. Now let's go to our question number 16. Which among the following is a correct statement about incubators? So these are the options. Plant within plant is a type of incubator. They improve startup survival rate. Technology business incubators are often in educational institutes, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. Now let's go to our question number 17. An idea champion in an organization is, so these are the options: the person who blocks bad ideas, the one who drives ideas forward by opening channels, a regulator of creativity, an external consultant. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, the one who drives ideas forward by opening channels. Now let's go to our question number 18. Which of the following statement is true for service dominant SD logic? So these are the options. Value is co-created with customers. Value is produced only in manufacturing. Customers are passive recipients. Providers create value alone. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Value is co-created with customers. Now let's go to our question number 19. In innovation, resistance to change may occur due to, so these are the options: fear of failure, inertia, lack of confidence, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. Now let's go to our question number 20. The central purpose of any economic exchange is, so these are the options: flow of money, allocation of resources, creation of value, managing risk. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, creation of value. Now let's go to our question number 21, which is not a quality of an entrepreneur. So these are the options: creativity, strong human relation skills, high communication skills, avoiding innovation. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, avoiding innovation. Now let's go to our question number 22. Which of the following is not an example of blue ocean strategy? So these are the options: Cirque du Soleil, Marvel, Hindustan Unilever, Patanjali. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, Hindustan Unilever. Now let's go to our question number 23. Which element is missing if a design thinker ignores the needs of elderly or disabled users? So these are the options: empathy, creativity, practicality, originality. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, empathy. Now let's go to our question number 24. Which of the following macroeconomic event is falsely stated in the history of global development? So these are the options: industrialization in Europe, South America as a major power, Japan's quality driven industrialization, China's low cost manufacturing. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, South America as a major power. Now let's go to our question number 25. Blue ocean strategy suggests that competition becomes irrelevant when companies, so these are the options: create uncontested market spaces, focus on lowering costs only, copy competitors efficiently, maximize existing demand only. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, create uncontested market spaces. So thank you friends for watching our mock test part 1, innovation, business model and entrepreneurship. Now we will meet in our next part of innovation, business model and entrepreneurship mock test second. So thank you friends for watching our video.